This motorhome's Challenger's 348 XLB. It's a 35th anniversary special edition, so to speak, and well, 35th anniversary special offer, more to the point. It seems to be a lot of vans which are now having anniversaries. I'll go on to that in just a moment. I'll give you the details of this. They are 746 centimeters long. Weighs just 3 tons, so you've got 500 kilos of payload, and Ducato base, 4 sitting places, 3 or 5 sleeping places. This is an important bit, 73,645, and it's got all sorts of extras, including incidentally 7-year water ingress guarantee. Looking at that, you'd think that the door was under 7.5 meters, and that would be good, wouldn't it? I mean, the van is 746 centimeters in length, so that's clearly what it means. Now, on the subject of anniversaries, so Automobile was founded in 1959, Heim was founded in 1959, Cartago was founded in 1979, Purcell was founded in 1989. They're just some of the ones that come straight off the top of my head. So they use the anniversaries as a sort of an excuse for something, but every year it seems as though there's going to be an anniversary. So every time there's a 9 or a 4, you've got those companies I just mentioned, 35th, 40th, 45th, 55th, etc, etc. I don't know whose anniversaries they're going to be celebrating next year. Oh yes, Rymo. Rymo was founded in 1980. There you go. But they're already saying it's their 40th anniversary. But it's the 2020 range. Okay, right. Gives you an idea. Now, advantage of a queen bed is that you can get it at into it on both sides. Now, I've come round from this side. That's where I am at the other side. Seeing it from the other side, get into bed, and I can stand up. Normally, you can't normally do that. In most vans, you've got to crouch by the time you come up these steps, or rather this step, because there's only one of them. Challenger is made in France. It's made in the same factory as Chausson are made. Indeed, the only difference between a Challenger and Chausson is the name and the colours. Maybe they have a different corporate sales team or something like that. That's possible, I don't know. I think they do because they have separate stands. In Germany they're separate units, Chausson and Challenger. Maybe they're trying to maintain some kind of a brand differentiation. The thing I would say is this, I mean, what really is the point? If you're selling, it's the same bottom line for the same Trigano company, why have Chausson and Challenger in competition with each other? Oh, I can't make my mind up. Shall I get a Chausson or shall I get a Challenger? It's exactly the same thing. It's exactly the same van. It's made in exactly the same place. The question is this, do I want one in the Challenger colours or in the Chausson colours? And that's it. Some of their designs are quite, how should I put it, original, and others aren't, but it does look, obviously what it looks like is a bit of personal taste. Now, to my way of thinking, I think that looks awfully cluttered with the way that the table's a good size. It's a really good size. It's cluttered at the same time as having space. There you go. Could be the way it just looks at present. Oh, so this is called Pegasi, the colour. The bed comes down from here. It doesn't require a key. But it's disconnected at the moment. I don't understand why it's disconnected. In fact, the 12 volt supply might be disconnected. Maybe we're just looking. No, it's not. It's on. Alright, I don't like this van. Let's go and see another one. You might like it. Right, the bed goes up and down, which is a good thing. Actually, most of them do tend to go up and down now. So 30 centimeter range, that's pretty good really. And another good point is that rear exit. Over there isn't one door, but hey, got the rear one. I think that's okay. You might have difficulty getting the bike out of there. Yeah, we'll have a look at this one here. Graphite 34X XLB. It's also got a queen bed, and it costs 60,200 and 749 centimeters long. Oh yes, this is better without that bed up there. Of course, you might need the extra bed. I mean, there might be 4 of you or something. I do know from talking to dealers that what they say is that many people buy it on the people they think grandkids largely will come with them. And on 8 years on the road, that isn't my experience. Of course, we're selling dreams, so they may dream that the grandkids will come with them. So that's something else. Right, this one here is an automatic, 170 automatic it says. Yeah, it comes now as standard automatic. Right, 308, 59,500, 709 centimeters in length. So this is shorter than the other one, so save some space somewhere. I can stand under the extra bed. I mean, it's not that point is not a problem. It's you know, it's a good about 880 centimeters of clearance. There was something I saw from Challenger. Filmed the first day I was here. I thought, oh, that's really good. But none of those vans appeal to me. I mean, if they gave me one, that'd be different, wouldn't it? But okay, so I've sort of walked around, and now I'm back to where I started from. Back on this one, and I'll tell you some of the final details about it. So on insulation, it's got XPS styrofoam. The roof has 54.5 millimeters of insulation on the floor, 63.5. The outside polyester, GRP, GFK, SATES windows, LED throughout. And it says here this grade 3 all-season insulation. A number of firms are saying that. I think that that is something that needs to be tested in hard circumstances. And I think I'm the person to do that. But will they let me? Well, we'll find out. If you found it interesting, please subscribe. If you find any benefit in what I do when it comes to choosing your own van, please do consider supporting me on Patreon. That certainly would help me out, because obviously it's quite expensive to actually come to these events. And thanks very much for watching.